Welcome to my channel for comprehensive tutorials on fundamental principles to complex problems. I'll cover it all. Feel free to share, subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Hello everyone, I'm here with the calculus tricky question and how do we solve it? These are the questions, the one I have selected for you all. First of all, the question is find the coordinates of the point on the curve where the gradient is 0. So first of all, what we do is we are going to differentiate this and we write something like this, dy dx. And one more thing, most of the students, they confuse and they call it dy over dx, which is wrong. So in calculus you say dy dx, and this equation I'm saying that 3 times 2 is a 6. So I will write 6 here and reduce the power to 1. That means 3 becomes 2. And in here again 3 times 2 times 3 is a 6 and x power 1, and 36 has power 1. So 1 minus 1 is going to giving you a 0. That means x power 0 equals 1. So when we multiply 36 by 1, it's not going to affect it. Okay, and this 3 will not be used. As soon as you get to 6x square minus 6x minus 36, we are going to divide everything by 6. And since the gradient is 0, I'm putting this 0 directly here. So this is going to give us x square minus 6x minus x actually, and minus 6 equals 0. We are factorizing this, and x square I will write minus 6 with the distance, and I know very well that minus 3x plus 2x, I'll give a little space to this guy, and I know very well that minus 3x plus 2x is going to give us an x over here according to the given question. We'll write it here, and the given question says that it is x square minus x minus 6 equals 0. So I have split this into 2 because 3 times 2 is a 6, and taking common from the first one, x minus 3. As soon as you get this bracket, copy down this bracket as it is and look at the third term, which is plus 2x. We already have x, so I will write a plus 2 here. This is giving me first factor as x minus 3 and x plus 2. So the two possible values are going to be minus 3 equals 0 and x plus 2 equals 0. Now comes the value of x is 3, either 3 or x equals minus 2. So we have got x coordinates of 2 points. So I can write this one in this way. So we have got 3 and negative 2. Now we know that in the given question it is saying 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x minus 3. So first this is equals to y. We will find the value of y with using this equation. So first of all, I'm using a 3 here. That means 2, 3 cube minus 3 square minus 36, 3 and minus 3. So this is going to give us 2 times 27 minus 3 times 9, and minus 36 times 3 is going to give us 108 minus 3. Once you do this, gives you 54, 27 minus 10, 11, 111, and this on total, once we calculate all this, it's going to give us minus 84. So when the value of x is 3, this is giving us minus 84. Okay, now we write the same equation and we use negative 2 over here. So this is 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x minus 3. Same equation we are using, and in place of x we are going to plot 3 here, 3x is negative 2, 36, negative 2, and negative 3. That means this is going to give us minus 8, plus 6, and plus 72 minus 3. And this is going to give us negative 16 plus 72 plus 6 is going to give us plus 78, negative 3. That means 78 minus 19 is going to give us 41. So the value is going to be 41. So first question is solved. We have already found find the coordinates of the point. Coordinates of the points. Answer is this one. This is the answer. These are the 2 points. Now comes to the second question, in which we are going to do the same thing with this fellow, and this is going to give us when the value of y is this much. So we find derivatives. Dy dx equals x square minus 4x plus 2, and we know very well, same thing we'll do, make it 2x minus 4 plus 2 is not going to be used. So 2x minus 4 equals 0. That means 2x equals 4 and x is equals to 2. So the first value we have got is 2. Now placing this into the equation given, x square minus 4x plus 2, and once 2 is plugged here, plus 2, this is going to give us 4 minus 8 plus 2, and this is going to give us negative 8 plus 6. That means negative 2. So negative 2. This is going to be your answer, and you will get full marks if you come across this kind of question. Thank you very much for watching.